So you have a business and maybe you're using social media, but when you talk to customers, you still don't have a website to give them. You can build a professional and great looking website quickly. The key is don't overcomplicate it. Over and over, I see people say, well, I'm not ready for a website. It's too expensive. It'll take too long to set up. But none of that is true. Setting up a website today is pretty straightforward if you have what you need to get it going right away. Social media is important, but social media isn't going to get your customers all the information they need at once. You still need to be able to provide basic details, put all your products and services in one place, give them hours or a location or contact info. Look, you can build this business card website in one day, and all you have to do is focus on your products and services and not worry about the technical details. So let's go into some of the basic requirements you will need to set up any website, especially one on Squarespace. You'll need to decide on a professional domain and email address. You'll need to have a basic idea of what you want your homepage to say. You'll probably want a product page or a services page to tell about those. Maybe you'll want something, a page about you or about your business. You'll likely want a contact page with an email contact form, phone number, business address, and hours of operation. You'll also want any other collateral that establishes your expertise or authority in your area, maybe testimonials, different projects you've worked on, and so forth. Another thing you'll definitely want some good looking videos. Um, I've got some upcoming videos that'll tell you how to go about looking for those images. You'll want some legalese. It's really important these days to respect people's privacy and to establish terms and conditions on your website. Another key element is liability statements that are specific to your industry. I won't be able to get into all of that in this video, but I'll have a link below. And if you'd like, I will get you a new website checklist if you want to subscribe to my newsletter. So great, thanks for watching this overview. I really hope it's been helpful. Keep an eye out for additional videos as well. I'll be putting out much more content on several topics, including digital marketing strategies, photography for building an online storefront, and how to do online scheduling connected to your calendar, all through Squarespace.